Hello, I greet you in the name of Jesus. I'm the name Nijena Manasseh. I'm here to tell you the true story of Israel Mbonyi, the man who made history in African music of gospel. Across the African continent, where the music often tells stories of faith, hope, and healing. One name stands out in every corner, every church, and every streaming platform. Israel Mbonyi. From the hills of Rwanda to great stages of Africa, Mbonyi has risen and become one of the most influential gospel artists of his generation. His voice, his message, and his humility have transformed him into a symbol of spiritual